The next few minutes could save you hours. The Whirlaway, your powerful solution for flat surface cleaning problems. Benefiting from high professional specifications, the Whirlaway makes an indispensable partner for cleaning contractors, hire shops, garages, schools, local authorities, and anyone with a flat surface cleaning problem. The Whirlaway can be used with cold or hot water, with pressures up to 240 bar. More than enough to tackle dirt and stains from the filthiest forecourt to the dullest driveway, leaving a uniformly cleaned surface every time. With the ability to clean up to 20 square meters per minute, the Whirlaway's operator-friendly design dramatically reduces fatigue and increases productivity, saving up to 80% on labor costs. Operating the Whirlaway is as straightforward as using a domestic hover mower. Simply connect it to the high-pressure hose from your pressure washer, and away you go. And when the job's done, packing up and carrying away couldn't be easier. It fits easily into a normal car boot. There are 4 different models to choose from 16 to 24 inches. So what makes the Whirlaway so fast and efficient? The secret is in the Whirlaway's remarkable high-tech engineering features. A specially designed rotary head and angled nozzle system, which combine to provide a powerful cleaning spray. The Whirlaway's immensely strong yet lightweight cover is designed to protect the operator and reduce overspray, whilst allowing dirty water and debris to escape quickly, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning job. To achieve the best possible results on a wide range of surfaces, the Whirlaway is fitted with an adjustable main swivel head and caster wheels, which allows the rotary arm to be set at its optimum cleaning height. The main swivel is easily raised or lowered, and the caster wheels can be individually adjusted. On units with nylon skirts, the height adjustment is achieved by the swivel height alone. The swivel head and casters are fitted with grease nipples. 18 and 24-inch Whirlaways are fitted with casters and mainly intended for use on large flat surfaces such as shopping malls, tennis courts, etc. The 16 and 20-inch skirted units are generally recommended for jetties, decking and other uneven surfaces. For 18 and 24-inch Whirlaways, an optional hand lance and trigger gun is available. This handy attachment is ideal for those awkward and inaccessible places the Whirlaway cannot reach. Simply remove the lance, clean the areas, and return to the stowage point. The Whirlaway. The ultimate flat surface pressure cleaning system. Technology at an affordable price. Let's have a look at a simple time and labour-saving device. The high-pressure extending lance. The lance is specially designed to safely reach and clean those inaccessible and awkward areas without the need for time-consuming and expensive ladders and towers. Three models are available: 3.6, 5.4 and 7.3 metres when fully extended. The lance can be used with any cold or hot water pressure washer up to 200 bar, with a maximum flow rate of 23 litres a minute. It connects to any pressure washer. The extending tubes are manufactured in fiberglass and aluminium for lightweight, strength and durability. With the two small versions weighing just 3.8 kilos and the 7.3 metre only 4.4 kilos, they are simple to operate, user-friendly and retract for ease of transport. High-pressure water is delivered to the nozzle via a twin-wire hose located inside the extending tubes, and a high-pressure gun is fitted as standard. An optional belt kit can be supplied to reduce operator fatigue. This is recommended when using the 7.3 metre lance over an extended period of time. The extending lance, keeping your feet and budget firmly on the ground. The Whirlaway and Extending Lance. The professional approach.